Welcome back. In this lecture I am going to show you how you can configure your VestaCP control panel. So the first thing you need to do is to copy your domain name and you have to go to edit here. Okay, let's copy it from here and update the name servers. So default name servers are ns1.learnemail.live and ns2.learnemail.live. After that, click save. The next setting you need to do is to add main domain to VestaCP, which is here learnemail.live, and next you have to go to DNS, and in DNS you have to add 2 records in your main domain. So click on add record and type ns1 and IP. Paste your IP here and then click save. Next you have to enter ns2 and the IP. So now if I go to my Windows machine and open command prompt and type ping my domain name, you will see the IP address of my server. If you like, you can also ping the host name and you will see the IP address of my server. So next is mail, database, cron, backup, and above. In top menu you will see package, IP, graphs, statistics, log, updates, firewall, apps, server. So we'll see usability of all these tabs one by one in upcoming lectures. In next lecture I am going to show you how you can add websites to VestaCP.